Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before starting the recording. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So right now it doesn't really matter if we will be on the standard photo mode like now or on the video. All you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the left to the middle in order to open the modes, and now we can enter the camera settings. So let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got restore defaults. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera, to the standard photo mode, and I hope that you cannot see the grid lines. It is because we just successfully reset camera settings to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.